Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm good, and how are you?
I'm good, thanks. My name is Tanya.
And my name is Qaseem Khan. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Nice to meet you. What would you like to practice today?
Today is my first practice to join Cambly.
Ah,
Yeah.
welcome.
Welcome. Thank you.
Why is learning English important for you?
Um, there's two reasons, ma'am. The first reason is that because I'm a software engineer, ma'am, I work on different online platform like a freelancer, provide different kind of services. So the communication skill is very important for me because when we communicate with my client and we do not handle client, so how they will be give order to complete project for them. And the
Right.
second thing is that uh, I will be going to Italy for further study because I have completed Bachelor of Science in Software Engineering, and I applied for different university in Italy. Some university accept my admission letter, so uh, after 1 month, I think I will be going to Italy in September intake. I will be taking classes. So for that reason, I joined Cambly, and I also joined English Ninjas as well, ma'am.
Oh,
Yeah,
congratulations.
thank
That's
you.
fantastic.
Yeah.
Is it called English Ninjas?
Yeah. This is also like work as a Cambly, ma'am. There's a lot of native speakers like Cambly.
Oh, okay. I've
Yeah.
never heard of that one before. Cool. Italy. That's my hometown or home country.
Yeah.
My family's from Italy.
South Africa is your hometown.
No, Italy.
Italy, yeah, Italy is wow,
hmm
wow.
hmm
So I
Yeah.
think the environment is very good for students, and I confirm my admission is Genoa City, University of Genoa.
Ah, you're going
Yeah.
to the north.
Yeah. But the environment is
Mhm.
because I search different information about this university. So the faculty is very good for me because the university is very rankable and technology basis, and it's very perfect for me, man.
Oh, that's fantastic. Yeah, wow. That's going to be an amazing experience for
Yeah.
you. Yeah, very, very cool.
And
Excellent.
yeah.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, not just only I share my experience because uh, I I have also worked on different online platform like I develop different Android applications and graphic designing and video editing as well and data scraping as well. So one of the interesting thing is that I have YouTube channel, more than 6,000 subscribers on my channel.
Wow.
Yeah, I upload different videos related with technology, related with different kind of devices. I upload different this types of videos upload on my YouTube channel.
Mm.
Yeah,
Oh, cool. Have you seen, I just read an article on, um, I think it was I'm not sure who the designer, I mean, where the designer is from,
yeah,
but he created a robotic eye
robotic.
that he calls the third eye, and it's to be used when you're on your smartphone and you're walking, and when people aren't looking at their where they're walking, they're just looking at their phones.
Yeah,
The 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 third eye, like this camera opens,
yeah,
and it alerts the person if they're coming, in front of an object, they're about to walk into an object.
yeah,
I think it's South Korea.
yeah.
This guy created this device, but yeah, I don't know why I brought that up.
And my training application that I make for client, that is smart Android based school bus tracking system, like Uber, like this types of tracking system. So I make application for school. This application work like as a tracking system when child go to school. So parent will be search the bus number on this application. When parent enter the bus number, so the bus exact location show to the parents. And the second feature is that when child sit in the bus, so the child also have a school card. So it's mean the school card we also convert into the RFID. It's mean radio frequency identification. When child sit in the bus, so they will be child will be swipe the card on sensor. So parent will be the sensor will be send a message to parent. Parent will see the message. My child is sit to the bus, and yeah, when the bus driver drop the child, so as well as the parent will be receive the message. My child left the bus and come back to home.
Wow.
Yeah, I developed so many applications for client. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Sorry, 1 second.
Okay,
Just one
okay.
second.
Never mind.
Sorry, what? Tomorrow? Yeah. Yeah. No, it's okay. Yeah, thank you. Hi, sorry.
Never mind.
As you were saying? Is this app, are you almost finished it?
Yeah, of course. I finished in 2020, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
congrats. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Wow.
And
Any new projects you're working on?
I developed so many projects, ma'am. Like point of sale
Yeah.
system, attendance system as well. Attendance system like is a face recognition system. When employee came to organization, so employee will be sit in front of the camera. So the camera will be pick the face of the employee. So the attendance will be
Wow.
yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Is this your dream job?
Yeah, but this is my job as well. I work at home. I connect with different countries' people. I can develop project for them, and this is my job as well as this is my hobby, man.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
You found your calling, you know? It's amazing. That's so exciting. Yay. Oh. So what are your plans this weekend? Are you in lockdown? Are you able to go out?
But in this time, I just only preparation for embassy interview, man. I'm totally free. I left my job. Just only I prepare. After 2 or 3 days, I will be going to embassy for interviews. I also book my appointment for interviews. So,
Oh.
yeah.
Wow. Have you gotten the vaccine? Have you been able to get the vaccine?
Not yet, but I will be try to for the vaccine.
Yeah. Oh. Wow.
Yeah.
What time is it there right now?
11